Hello, students and professionals. Welcome back. Another important session. My name is Jagdish Kumar Raidu. So here you would like to see the difference between SC16 and SC16N. So both actually, so both running on the same program. When you look at the database level, let's try to see SAP what actually the major difference when you compare this one. So if you come here, SC16, okay, this is basically the transaction is useful to open certain tables at database level. Okay, you can view the tables. Like you can query the table so that you can view the data. For example, sales side KNA1. This is the table. Okay, this is the table. Like it talks about. If you look at here, if you give the customer, you can able to find the address details of your customer actually. Okay, so this is SE16. Whereas let's come here, SE16 and so SE16 is the older version of SAP transaction, which is provided by SAP. Later on that they have given SE16N. This is called, they will call it as a enjoy transaction. Okay, there you can able to modify the details and other factors like if you see here, selection criteria is more clear when you compare it with SC16. Okay, let's try to understand. Okay, let's come to SC16 and I'm just given K and A1. In the similar way, I'm giving one more table called K and B1. This is for your company code data. You can see K and B1 selection criteria. So suppose IT 102 I'm giving. So this is called the selection. You can able to choose it. Kunnar is the technical name of your customer. Okay, if you execute here, you can able to find the details. Okay, so you select or click on the display. You can able to see the details. Okay, where you can see this is reconciliation number and this is created by this person. Okay, this user and this is the date. Okay, like that you can able to find the details. Okay, so your what you called Incoterm. Okay, and all those things. This is KNB1. Whereas if you go to the KNA1 by using similar transaction, I'm just giving the difference. Okay, so if you come here KNA1, so it is going to give address details of this customer. Previously, it has given the company code details of that customer, reconciliation account and all those stuff. Okay, so let me choose the multi-selection. If I have given IT101 to IT104, so that means in between the selection, if you give, okay, probably like IT103, let's click on the execute button here. So 1 second. So let me try to choose IT104. Okay, so from here to here, you have to give the lower to higher. You can able to see this. These are the customer details. This is the land one. This is the country. Okay, departure country of the customer. So so like if you look at here, the name. Okay, so these are the customer details. You can able to find it out. So like if you see KNA1, address details will be more. How you can able to manage this one? Okay, so let's go here. Come here, settings. If you come here, field selection, fields to selection, you can able to select the fields. Okay, here what you can see, if you can able to see what is this when it comes to this inputs. Okay, here Kunnar is there, land one is there, name one, name two, and your postal code. Like if you'd like to select, certain you can able to save this for certain user as a variant. That is different story. You try to see if you would like to select it. For example, I would like to select search term. I don't want name two. Okay, I can take out. So I want the region. Okay, so in this way, if I execute this, okay, let me click the enter. Okay, now you can see this. You have a Kunnar means customer and land one and name one region. So this is the transaction is SC16. Certain projects they don't give SC16N. They will give only SC16. I have seen. Okay. So once you get onto the real-time system, there is nothing to hurry. Some projects even they don't give SC16 and SC16N also. They will have depends on their project limitation actually. Generally, they will give either SC16 or SC16N. Depends on the like you are working as a consultant or senior consultant. Depends on the your role actually. Okay. So that is different story when it comes to authorizations. So for example, I would like to see land one. I'm giving okay DE as a selection. Okay, that is Germany. So if I execute this, you can able to get the all the customer. In this way, you can able to use SC16N, SC16. Sorry. So now come to SC16N. Let's see. You will have all the fields. You can able to see this. Okay, name one, name two. Okay, come here. So you can even able to take the more selection when you compare this one. So here you can able to give some name and you can save it as a layout. So for example, okay, here postal code is there, name is there. For example, I'm just giving the field name. This is the difference actually. So whereas if you go to ECC, you cannot able to search. Suppose you have in a table level, you have some hundreds or thousands of the fields will be there. So you would like to track certain field. If I click here, so it came to the region. Okay. Now if you give the DE, I can able to do the selection. This flexibility, get field flexibility. I'm not sure about the latest version of the ECC, but this searching certain field, okay, so you can able to give the field directly. You can able to point out the certain field where you would like to go on to the table level. Okay, if I give DA, if you see this, okay, so one second, let's try to execute this. So no values found. Let me try to check. I think region, not region. I need to give in country. This is my mistake only. Okay, let's try to execute this one. Okay, so it is bit slow. It depends. So actually, if you go to the S4 HANA, they are taking like some more than 60, more than 80 or 100 RAM speed actually. But in our practice systems, it will run, but it depends on the RAM speed how you have. Otherwise, it is bit slow. Okay. So now if you can see, so it is bit graphical where you can if you go to SE16, you cannot able to see the colors and all those things. So if you would like to see, for example, if I'm selecting this one, okay, so I'm just selecting. If I click the details, okay, if I click on the detail view, okay, so it is previously it was different, right? So in the similar way, yeah, you have certain buttons available like this is sorting ascending and descending order. This is for find actually to search. For example, if you have a thousands of data is there in the system, how to search this one? Okay, this is basically filter. For example, here region is not given. If I select this, so all these are useful in real time. Most of the times, consultants works at a table level on. For example, 02 I have given as a filter. So let's see this. So now the blank one, it is not available. Okay. So let me go back. I'm just taking out the filter. I'm running this transaction. So how you can able to give the fields to the ABAPer? You can able to check in SC16N also. For example, here total number of hits 33 are there. See, just I'm guiding how to set the table actually. Basically, you can see this different customers got created. Probably this practice system is new. That's why you found out 33 customers. But whereas if you go to other systems, it might be like thousands in practice system. It depends on how many people are accessing this one. Okay. So this is, so you can able to, for example, here country is there. I'm selecting this. If I go to the filter, okay, if I press here, you can able to find the countries. So now it is created for ES. I think it might be Spain and Germany and India. I would like to filter all ES ones. Okay, so let's click this. Okay, so it's not a rocket science. You can able to see here. So John King something it is created. So for this is the address, and you can able to see different fields for output selection. This also you can able to control. Let me go. You can try the same thing in SC16 or SC16N. There is no issues. Okay, so okay, so this is all about your SC16N. So this is the total. For example, if you go to certain values are there, if you'd like to total net value or gross value, such a cases you can able to total by using this sigma, directly selecting that particular column or else total table level. Okay, this is again to this is basically one of the key important feature. Like certain times in support projects, they're asking like please download either local file or a spreadsheet. Okay, so this we will see. Okay, this is all about your SC16 and SC16N. Okay, so you certain columns, if you would like to hide and show, you can able to use this button. So top and down. Okay, import and export, you can able to use it. This one. So let's if you go to the selection criteria. So like we have two views. Okay, selection as ABAP. If you click this one, okay, so you can able to see the all the technical fields. Okay, this is one of the above view they have given newly in S4. Okay, so that it is easy to take out the fields. So simple logistics is flexible, always you can work. Okay, if you would like to delete entries and all the stuff, you don't try all these things. You don't see, that is the reason why in S4 projects, if someone is working, they didn't give permission. Like people play with this SC16. You don't find these all these things. Okay, so displaying in background and all those fields. So SC16 has this flexibility. So that's why they are not giving access. Okay, so let's come here. So if you'd like to save this one as a variant, okay, that is one thing. So if you come here, change settings. Okay, so like how you would like to display technical column name. Okay, technical view. Suppose if you select this one, so this one it will display the technical names. Okay, technical view. So different options will be there. Okay, you can able to filter out table. Okay, so maximum number of hits they have given 500. This also you can able to limit it. Like suppose if I wanted to make it only 100 hits, because we don't have those many entries, I'm just showing. So here see, different kind of views will be there. Okay, so let's save the settings. Okay, let's press enter. Now you can able to see previously, like, Regio, Punar, Land 1, Land 2, like that, it is giving. Okay, so this is for exporting and importing the data. They have given the tables. Okay, so whereas so opposite, you can able to find the field name also again as the technical field. These are the two different views will be there. Okay, otherwise you have a data type. So, like, if you see data type is the technical thing. So char means it is always region will be in characters. You cannot you can able to enter like, either characters or number also in this. If it is character means that is like text only. So, like, certain times you will have a different data types will be there. Only number means number will come, float will become, like that, you will have different things. This is for selecting all. Okay, this is for output deselecting all. Okay, select and deselect, and this one is a certain select certain key fields for output. Okay, so let's execute this. It's a bit slow. You can able to see the customer city name one, like that, you can able to see this one. Okay, if you would like to change layout, for example, if I click the choose layout, it is for all. So if you would like to make it user specific also, you can make it actually layout. This is one thing. Okay, currently we haven't saved any variant. Okay, so this is all about your SC16 and SC16N. Don't confuse. So sometimes if you are working in real time, they might give, they might not give access for everything. Okay, so all these things you can able to explore, I feel. Okay, let's come to the SC16N. I would like to show you something. Okay, most of the times they will give SC16. Let me change the table as KNVB. Okay, so if I would like to change, if I choose, for example, so if you come here, format list, okay, you can able to choose the field. I told you, right? So in the similar way, okay, user parameters. If you come here, so now if you see the field name, you can able to see, right? Field label means you can able to see user understandable language. Okay, if you click this, okay, so your Kunnar become customer, VK Virg become sales org. Okay, in the similar way, your smart division become this one, like, description. You can able to change like this. So it depends. Like, sometimes you will get a small tickets for this also. Users might ask, we are not able to understand this one. Brother, in production, could you change this one? Okay. So this is all about, user parameters. Let me take it back. I will show you the field name so that, you can able to see this one. So in the similar way, let's come here, user parameters. I'm just changing to field label. So this different way of displaying will be there. Here width, how much it should be, and how many maximum number of hits I change it to 200. If you would like to change it to some 50, 50 will be displayed. That's it. Okay. So ALV list, ALV grid display. Okay. If you take this, it will display the maximum number of hits. Okay. Irrespective of like 1000 is 1000. This is for controlling maximum number of hits. If I take this maximum what is available, it will display for you. Okay. So for example, if I am taking the ALV grid display. Okay, let's click this. So let's execute this one. See, it's like a grid. One box it is looking. Don't hurry. Like when you are in practice system, they might have saved in different way. If you'd like to see grid, it's looking in nature, right? Different nature. So these colors and everything you see can be how beautifully it is looking actually. Okay, so this is for word processing. You would like to download the data. This is for Excel processing. Separately they have given in S4 HANA. So like otherwise, let me show you. So ascending, descending order. See, whatever you will find, the similar things you can able to find uh, in SE16N. On top of it, SE16N, it is more graphical in nature to looks like that, whereas input fields, wherever the input you are giving and you are displaying the output, right? Yeah. So this is, let's check this. Let's execute this now. It is looks like a different format. There is nothing, there is no difference. You need a data, that's it, right? Okay, so this is all about, I think this session would be more helpful to you. Okay, uh, so I would like to show you something like currently I'm holding like 2352 students. So this course even further updating now. It is actually I have forgotten to change. It is 68 hours total sales and distribution module. Okay, whatever the discussion happen in YouTube also sometimes available with the same link. Okay, I'm updating this course. And this course specifically available in pricing, and I have separate course for rebates, and this is one for FSCM. This is more beneficial course. You can able to see 68 hours with the 152 lectures. If someone would like to get introduced nowadays in interviews, they are asking questions for what is the basic difference between ECC and S4. That I would like to do one more video. So this is S4 and BP concept, whereas your customer, traditional customer and vendors transaction got absolute. You can able to see this. This is very useful. Whatever the S4 HANA project, you have a minimum knowledge about this one, how the CBA works, and this is for FSCM. Someone has a specific project, SD and FSC was specific. Okay, so our settings got moved to, this is settings, credit management basic function settings got moved to FSCM, financial supply chain management, that you can able to see. And this is for functional spec writing. It is very, very important for real time. You can able to see this. And stock transfers and credit management. This credit management part also covered in this SD course. Okay. So recently I have merged actually. So apart from that, a few other courses available for end users also, and this is for ECC processes. So this one is specifically useful if you'd like to attend certain interview. Okay, you should know the flows, right? So this is all about that. So if you would like to subscribe, you can subscribe these courses. So links available in Udemy. Okay. So when get back to discussion, I think you understood like what is SC16 and what is SC16. There is not much difference. Both will be run by the same program. So program they will write like certain blocks. So if you run this one block will be executed according to the conditions they put for SA16. This is NJ transaction letter introduced. N means new. So the either you can able to use it. If you like this video, you can like it and comment and share if you have some doubts regarding this. And if you are new to this, you can subscribe on my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.